Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate card number 1 using the Meaningful Flowers paper pumpkin kit from August of 2023. What I did was I cut the back of the card, so I've got the meaning of the lotus flower, so I just cut it right at the spine there. So I have that piece. And I've got a standard North American card base in the Orchid Oasis. I will be putting that on there. I have I've stamped "You are capable of amazing things" to put on the inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stamp the smaller of the 2 lotus flowers just in the bottom corner here like this, and then at the top corner like this. And I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to take some Daffodil Delight and I'm just going to blend it. Just a hint of that color just onto the flowers themselves. And that will go on the inside. And that's how I did the lotus flowers that I'm going to put on the front. I stamped them in the bubble bath and then I went over them with the Daffodil Delight. Now there isn't a die to do this, but these lotus flowers are super simple to cut out. So I'm just going to just cut this one out on screen, and it's so easy if you use a small pair of scissors and just keep turning the piece of paper, not the scissors. So you just keep the scissors straight and then you just move the paper. So we'll cut this one out. I've already cut the larger one out. I really like this bubble bath and the Daffodil Delight together. So, and I've done some of the clear enamel dots that came with the kit. I colored some with the Orchid Oasis blends. And I thought they were a bit stark, so I did some with the bubble bath blends. They're very pale, like it's a very, very subtle color. If you put it up against the clear, you can see that there's color. But once I've got the card built, we'll see which one looks better. So just coming back around to that final corner now, or that final edge. And there we go. So that's all cut out. Now your edges might be folded up a bit from moving the scissors. You just go around and smooth them out. So before we do anything, let's just flat mount this into the inside of the card. And it's 3 3/4 by 5. It's just a slightly smaller piece for the middle. And I'm just, again, going to line it up just like I would if it was the outside of the card. And put that down. That looks really pretty. I like that. I don't often decorate the inside of the card. I leave lots of space for greetings. But this one I thought we could do the inside of the card as well. So now this is exactly the same size as the front of the card. So I'm going to line up in the bottom corner. Make sure I'm absolutely in the corner, and that I am lined up along that edge. And then I'll just push that down. So then I'm going to dimensionalize this one. So put a couple of dimensionals on it like that. I thought about putting the stem on, but with the background kind of in the Orchid Oasis, I thought the stem might look a little bit funny, so I didn't. And then we're going to flat mount the smaller flower just underneath it like this. So there we've got our lotus flowers with the definition of it, and then the greeting inside. So let's have a look at these enamel dots. I think the Orchid Oasis is just a little bit dark. I actually do quite like the bubble bath, although it's very subtle. And this one doesn't seem to want to come off the backing, so I'm just going to pop one there like that, one like that, and then one over here like this. So that is our alternate number 1 for the August 2023 Meaningful Flowers paper pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate ideas.